Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, let us see about the eval function. To evaluate a code or a block, use eval function to identify any bugs, and also you can trap the errors. For example, I have evaluated the string tutor. If I enclose it in single quote or in double quote and use an eval function, that means it is correct. And if I don't enclose in single quote or in double quote and trying to evaluate this string, then it throws an error. Second example is that I have this code. I have assigned some number here and there are some words here which are not at all understandable, and I am trying to evaluate this code. This will be throwing an error. The errors which are thrown are trapped in a special variable called $@. Now let us see a practical example. In this program, let us see the eval example. For this, create two numbers and try to divide the number 5 with 0. Now the error will be captured in the special variable called $@. Let us test it. Error is captured in the special variable. Next, let us evaluate a code. I am trying to save a code in a scalar variable. In this code, I have assigned a string called Perl to this scalar and trying to print the string. After this, I am giving some junk characters. Evaluate this code which is saved in the scalar code. Now print the error. This is the error. When you have a long code and if you want to evaluate some part of code, you can use eval function.